Hi guys, in today's video we're going to create 3 powerful DIY hair masks that you can create within 3 minutes that are powerful, effective, and that targets a lot of different types of hair. Keep on watching. The first hair mask we are going to be using is organic coconut oil and organic cinnamon. The benefits to using coconut oil is that you can use it all over your body, you can cook with it, and you can use it in your hair. Coconut oil in your hair keeps it hydrated and soft. It also prevents hair from breaking, and it also prevents it from damaging. Organic cinnamon has properties that help your hair grow. It helps it with dandruff, hair loss, and it also strengthens the hair follicles in it as well. The next mask we're going to be using is organic coconut oil. Again, organic coconut oil is a great benefit to use. It is loaded with fatty acids that penetrates the hair more deeply than regular conditioner, which makes your hair softer, shinier, and more silky. Next, we're going to be using honey. I use Manuka honey, but you're able to use organic honey in this as well. The honey helps retain moistures in your hair. It also gives it a great boost of hydration. Here I'm going to be wetting my daughter's hair with a spray bottle all throughout, so it's nice and damp before applying these masks. Right here I'm just showing you which mask I'm using. I'm going to be using the 2 masks we just created all over her hair. I'm kind of putting it in sections and putting it in the scalp to the root to tip. You want to put it in all throughout and then put a plastic bag over your hair once you're done. I would leave it in there for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once it's set in your hair for about 45 minutes, you can go in and rinse it out. After that, you want to go in with your favorite shampoo and just make sure you cleanse your hair thoroughly. This next hair mask is very powerful for repairing your hair. We're going to be using the organic coconut oil as well as egg white. Egg white helps boost hair growth and it brings back the shine to your hair. Next, we're going to be using an avocado, which is an all-around healthy ingredient to use. It has vitamin C and E, which both promote hair growth, and it also repairs damaged cells with the minerals and vitamins it has inside of it. We have already talked about the benefits of honey. Right here, I'm just using a tablespoon and mixing it all together. But I totally forgot I didn't add the coconut oil, so right here I'm adding the coconut oil. Yeah. So now I'm adding the avocado mask to my daughter's hair. Again, I did put water inside her hair to get it nice and damped, and I'm putting it in sections. This mask was a little chunky, so I would suggest you guys use a blender. Here I'm just washing out the avocado mask. Like I said before, it is a little chunky, so I did have to get a brush to comb through it to make sure I got all the pieces and everything out. But if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I left all of the measurements in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel.